Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your 2025 Google Photos recap on your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, open up your Google Photos application. Okay, I'm going to open it and then you just need to go to the collections menu right here and then you will see your 2025 recap. This one guys, and I'm going to open it. Okay, and to see the recap, make sure that you have already backed up your photo to Google Photos because the data is from the backup data. So if you haven't backed up your photo, you won't get your recap. Okay, so this recap is only for someone who has activated the backup. Okay, and this is my recap. You just need to tap on your screen to see what's next, like this. And yeah, this is so cool. And let me jump to the end part of the recap. Okay, and this is my full recap. And you can see your total photos of 2025. And then the selfies and top people of 2025 and then highlights and you'll be able to share it to your friends if you want, or you can save it. I'm going to save it guys. Okay, now it has been saved and I'm going to try to share it. Okay, yeah, we can share it to WhatsApp and Instagram and so on. Okay, and yeah, just like that guys, I'll go to your collections and open your recap for 2025, and it's only available on Google Photos mobile because I have opened my Google Photos from my computer, but the recap it's not there. I don't see the recap on my PC. So yeah, you can only view it using your mobile phone. So make sure that you have installed the Google Photos on your phone. Okay guys, and that's how we can find a 2025 Google Photos recap. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!